What are you looking for?
Yakult. But this is not the right brand.
Yakult?
This is not what I'm looking for.
It's here.
Oh yeah. Good job.
Wonder if this Yakult actually swallows.
Alright, give me that thing. No, not this Yakult. That one. This one. Alright. Let's do this. What up, guys? It's your boy Cielshock from Cielshock Mini4wd. I'm a teacher here in Noobworx. And for today's video, it's a Neo-Vqs Yakult Swallow collaboration model. I want to say shout out to EJ Valenzuela and Portal Tutors. He is the one who gave me this as a kit. He have an Instagram account. I'm going to put it right here below. He have all mini four-wheel drive stuff, related content, pictures, video, races, and some rare stuff. And on these racing adventures. Alright, without any blah blah, let's unbox this Neo-Vqs Yakult Swallow. Alright, so right in the box up front, so you can see it's Neo-Vqs. It's written over there, 4x4 series. Yakult Swallow. That's the team, the baseball team in Japan, for the people that who doesn't know. It's a collaboration, obviously. Their team is sponsored by Yakult, and the name of their team is Swallow. We know all the dairy minds, that's not what you're thinking. Swallow is like a bird, you know, it's like their mascot. But if you flip this box right here, as you can see, that is made in Japan. Again, that is made in Japan, so that means it's a premium quality parts. And if you flip the box over here, you can see all the components right there. It's a VZ chassis, obviously, and you'll see what's inside the box and all that stuff. All right, so without any delay, let's open this bad boy. So opening this bad boy, first thing comes first, obviously, is the VZ chassis. It is a VZ chassis, navy blue, ABS. Still no reinforced VZ chassis for us, even though it's a collab. It's a lightweight, again, it's a lightweight chassis with a lot of speed, with a lot of acceleration. And also you have your A parts. It's also navy blue, all your A parts, polyoxymetal rollers, battery lock, rear front and rear bumpers, motor catch, you know, body catch right there. That's another ABS blue, navy blue. Alright, moving forward, we have the wheels. These are all 5-spoke medium wheels, red. Nothing crazy. It's just the color of their uniform, I think, just to resemblance their uniform. Alright, next part would be the Yakult Swallow printed tires. As you can see, these are super hard tires. Yakult Swallow low profile, super hard tires, which is very good for B-Max, Tune Class, even in box stock and open class categories. You can use all that up. And the next part, obviously, would be the 130 motor. It does have a 130 motor. That low friction polyoxymetalin, low friction bearings or bushings. 60mm wheel shaft. Regular propeller shaft, 1.4 propeller shaft. And then bronze terminals. You got your bronze terminals over there. And obviously the super speed gear set 351 with a pink crown gears. That's what's inside, which is good because you don't have to buy an extra super speed gear. And then the body shell. The body shell is a white Neo-Vqs hard body shell. But I was expecting the body shell would be the color of the Yakult. It's like probably beige or dirty white. But this one is actually pure white. As you can see, it's not even pearl white. It's just plain plastic white body shell. Neo-Vqs, which is very nice for all those VQS fans over there. And then you have your Tokyo Yakult Swallow stickers. These are your reflective foil stickers, which is very stylish. Obviously, you got that Yakult Swallow logo name over there, right there in the spoiler. Tamiya logos, red and blue colorway, which is pretty cool. Very good artwork. And also, you have this, your traditional instruction manual right here with the box written in Japanese and English. Alright, to sum that up, I think this kit is a very good buy or good pickup for racers that are really a fan from Japan, a fan of the Tokyo Yakult Swallow team. This is actually a good memorabilia. So I think the value of this kit will go up, I think, with the value. But when it comes to being a racer, if you really love the Neo-Vqs body shell, obviously you have now it on white. As you can see on that body, is pretty nice. Besides that, nothing too crazy. I mean, the 5-spoke wheels, you can get it in any other kit, which is red. So that's very, very common. The super hard tires is valuable. Obviously, you can use it for tune class, BMAX, even in open class, you can trim it. The Tokyo Swallow imprinting over there adds a little value on it. But with racing wise, when it comes to raceability of those parts, for me, the hard tires, the super hard tires is the most valuable one. Then the body shell for style, and then the wheels. And then the chassis is just a regular ABS navy blue, so nothing super special about it. I mean, I'm not saying like this kit is overpriced, but I think this is sold as like $35 or to $45 here in the United States. I don't know with other places. It can go up. It depends where it is. But for me, the value of this kit will be determined because of this rare ability and because it's a good memorabilia of the Tokyo Yakult Swallow team, Japanese baseball team. Other than that, all the parts are pretty normal to me. Nothing too crazy, just the color white body shell, the wheels, and the super hard low profile tires. What do you think about this Neo-Vqs Tokyo Yakult Swallow special? Is it a good buy or is it a pass for you? It's up to you guys. Tell me on the comments what you guys think about this kit. And I appreciate EJ Valenzuela again. Thank you for giving me this gift. I'm probably gonna use this. I'm not a collector myself. I mean, I have stuffs here and there, but I don't really collect as much. I'm probably gonna use this and race this, or maybe chop this if I want to use it for open class. But I'm a fan of tune class, so I would probably race this with. If I'm going to open this, I'm going to use it for tune class or probably BMAX. But that's about it. Nothing crazy with this kit. This is Cielshock from CTUSA Mini4wd Racing Squad. As I always say, we learn from you, you learn from us. Always race humble. Peace.